So, you've been dipping your toes into the crypto world, and you're starting to see some green. Or maybe red. Either way, you're probably wondering if you can cash out those digital assets. And if you're using Wealthsimple, a natural question is, can I sell crypto on Wealthsimple? Let's dive in. Now, Wealthsimple has positioned itself as a user-friendly platform for investing. It's great for stocks, ETFs, and even robo-advisory services. But when it comes to crypto, things can be a bit different. Historically, Wealthsimple has offered crypto trading through its Wealthsimple crypto platform. This means that if you wanted to buy, sell, or hold digital currencies, you had to use a separate platform within the Wealthsimple ecosystem. It was like having two different accounts, but under the same roof. However, the world of finance, especially crypto, is constantly evolving. So, it's essential to check for any updates or changes Wealthsimple might have implemented since this video was created. Things move fast in the crypto space, and platform features can change rapidly. Let's talk about the process of selling crypto on Wealthsimple, assuming the platform still offers this feature. Typically, selling crypto on Wealthsimple is pretty straightforward. You'd log into your Wealthsimple crypto account, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, input the amount you wish to convert, and confirm the transaction. The funds are usually converted into your Wealthsimple cash account, from where you can transfer them to your bank account. But here's the thing, while selling might be easy, understanding the implications isn't. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly. So, before you hit that sell button, consider your financial goals. Are you selling to take profit? To rebalance your portfolio? Or because you're worried about market downturns? Understanding your reasons can help you make informed decisions. Also, keep in mind the tax implications. Selling crypto typically triggers a taxable event. Capital gains or losses will be calculated based on the difference between your purchase price and the selling price. It's crucial to understand the tax rules in your jurisdiction to avoid any unpleasant surprises come tax season. Another important factor to consider is security. While Wealthsimple has implemented security measures, cryptocurrencies are a prime target for hackers. Ensure you're using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious about phishing attempts. So, can you sell crypto on Wealthsimple? As of now, the answer seems to be yes, through their Wealthsimple crypto platform. But always verify this information through official Wealthsimple channels. To sum it up, selling crypto on Wealthsimple can be a convenient way to liquidate your digital assets. However, it's essential to approach it with knowledge. Understand the market, consider your financial goals, be aware of tax implications, and prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.